There we go. So, there we go. That is our race winner a while ago, J.M. Inguito. Kakarera pa po siya ulit ngayon. So, we're gonna do a mandatory rest for J.M. Inguito, who is also sitting on pole. And rider number 29 right there, that is John Paul Sineneng. There we go. And rider number 75, that is Lance Ocampo. Cheyenne Band, there we go. Rider number 4. And Bones Tanghal, rider number 70, currently on 5th. There we go. We have 5 racers for your Super Scooter 160 race. All right. Let's do another shout out right here. Sean Mapuha. I hope I got Shaha Mapua. I hope I got it right. Shout out po naman kay Oma Edsel Corpus. There we go. Troy La Chica. Shout out Troy La Chica. Marlon Castro Galang. Sir, pabati po sa anak ko si JJ Galang. Happy birthday, JJ Galang. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Reggie Adia! Kumusta ka dyan, Reggie Adia? Long time no see. Herwico de la Cruz. Go, go, go. CRA Riding Academy. Reggie, kailan ka magkarera? I hope to see you someday. Yes, welcome. Good luck po kay Edsel Corpus. Tuning Performance. Tuning Performance from Antipolo Rizal. Eric J. Shout out sa you, John. Alright, so we're looking at the Super Scooter 160 category right here. And Neil Fernando Nicolas, happy birthday po kay Mara J. Nicolas. Shout out po for Mara J. Nicolas and Neil Fernando Nicolas. Happy birthday, Mara J. Nicolas. Mickey Torres, Dadatek, Gerard Mickey Torres. Nasa tabi-tabi lang po si Mickey Torres. Daryl Gonzalez, shout out naman dyan sa iyo. Baby James. Good evening, Baby James. Pa-shoutout po. That's Garage Racing Team from Roger. All right, going back to the race right now. So we are looking at 5 racers, 15 of racing. A good start right there by J.M. Inguito, making sure na mauna siya on the first corner. There we go. Quickly breaks away from the pack. J.M. Inguito looks like he was able to get the momentum right here coming into the second back-to-back race of J.M. Inguito right here. There we go. John Paul Sineneng. Lanze Ocampo. John Paul Sineneng, Cheyenne Ban, and Bong Stanghal. There we go. Completes the top 5 right here on our Super Scooter Race 160. Yup, J.M. Inguito now breaking away with a 2.91 gap a while ago. Let's say this is the second rider. Here we go. Ocampo with a 5.276 gap right there from J.M. Inguito and Lanze Ocampo. There we go. Look at that. Break away quickly. So he was able to get a momentum coming into the second back-to-back race of the evening. J.M. Inguito looking good, and he is about to do some few back markers right here. There we go, back markers. Too early on the race as he is going to overtake this back marker right here. Hoping with no problems. There we go, no problems for J.M. Inguito as the rest of the pack. There we go. Inguito looking good. All right, let's do a shout out as Inguito is on the lead right here with a 6.556 gap. So, Cyril Malong, Moto 134 from Antipolo City. Francis Sicot, good evening, Francis Sicot. Amon Santos, shout out. Vim Rider, Organization of Malolos, Vroom Press. Mervin, Baby James, good evening. Breakaway, yep, breakaway si JM Inguito with a 7.657 gap. Edward Andres, pa-shoutout naman, ADM Trading Motorcycle Shop from Marikina, good evening. There we go. 7 laps to go. JM Inguito is leading this one with a 7.868 gap from Ocampo, Lanze Ocampo, and back markers after back markers right here. There we go. We haven't seen yet these two riders right here. Let's see the gap with these two riders. Now the battle for second is quite interesting right here with a Lanze Ocampo and John Paul Sineneng. That is one less than a second gap right there between these two. That is the battle for second right there as JM Inguito. There we go. That's the two riders a while ago with a less than a second gap as Inguito. The gap is 8.733. There we go. So if you are just watching, tell your friends about it. We are live right here at Malolos Convention or Sports Center. First night race of your Super Series. And of course, first race here in Malolos, Bulacan. There we go. Mark Santos, Jomar Carillo, happy birthday, my idol. Yes, happy birthday to Jomar Carillo. Jimboy Munar Katamora, shoutout po from Tanay Rizal. You Hold Works from Lagundi, Morong Rizal. Eric J. Shout out naman kay Verse M. Lucero at Chonsi Merecio. Happy birthday po, Mare Dada Torres. Miss na namin RRGP sa Carmona. Yep, kami din. Rodney Ocaro, may gabi si mo diha. Shout out Team Golf Yamaha Bismin. Go Team CRA. JM Inguito. Thank you, James Aquino. There we go, Inguito. The gap is 9.360 from Lanze Ocampo. 3 laps to go in this race as JM Inguito is really breaking away right here. Kotor. Yep. Belated happy birthday, JM Inguito from Roger Solis, Dad's Garage. Dom Cabangon, shout out Duldog Racing Team. Dom Cabangon, yes. Christian. Yep, Morong Rizal, yes, hopefully. That is the goal of Super Series, is to go around the country hoping to find and discover racers, local racers who will compete in the national level. So expect that one. All Rock there, yes, good evening sa iyo dyan. Jonaline Onyate, shoutout sa iyo dyan. Buhay abroad, sana may night race sa Cebu. Sa Cebu host, yes, we hope to have that one in Cebu as well, but not this year, maybe next year. Belated happy birthday and congratulations to JMDL Inguito. Yep, shout out, belated happy birthday. Yep, Inguito, Zian, Aaron, Apilia, walang yung Honda Click. Mamaya pa po yung Honda Click. There we go, JM Inguito winning this one right here. Second win of the day, second win of the night for JM Inguito from Dad's Garage Racing Team.
Wow, that's 2 consecutive races for him.
There we go. JM Inguito, second win of the night. Lanze Ocampo, EFAMOTO, John Paul Sineneng, Team J's Tech. Cheyenne Ban, CRA, Motosupply, Aspira, Bongs, Tanghal, EFAMOTO. All right, JM Inguito winning this one right here. Second win of the night.